This is our course project, and our group members are Ashley Kaufman, Bailey Stuber, Sawyer Young, and Trey Young. Next slide. The challenge for this group project has been to set out to meet the challenge of selecting a local business to complete observations of, identifying one process, issue, or one opportunity for improvement, define that problem by using one operation management technique to find a potential solution, and finally, by justifying our recommendation for improvements. Next slide.
A little bit of background information about Gravel City Roosters. It is located on Commercial Street in Emporia, Kansas. Before Angela Baker took over in 2011, it was known as Java Cat. Angela Baker kept the business going and even kept some of the most popular drinks, and they are recently celebrating a 20-year milestone. In October, they also celebrated a year milestone being in this new location. With this location, they share a space with another business called Trox Gallery and Gifts, which is located in the front of the store, and the back is where Gravel City Roasters is. So the picture to the right is the back view entrance to the shop. Next.
Some of the observations for this project include that Gravel City Roasters is in a fairly good spot for being marketable and is set up for growth being in a college town. The demographic it serves is stable as it is based around college students and around young 20s to senior citizens. So the demographic is very suited for a small cafe. The cafe itself is well known for its quiet environment and its coffee and pastries to enjoy, as well as the comfy atmosphere and the city's atmosphere as it's surrounded by art, such as the Trox Gallery. Therefore, it's an active location as well as it is located on Commercial Street. And some of the problems with that, though, is the mural side is on the less traveled side of the street. So that might be one issue with getting their name out there, as Trox Gallery is the side pointing more towards the Commercial Street. But the store itself is in a very active location and is set up for nice growth. So the main issue we need to cover about it is it needs more marketing. Next slide. So the problem statement that we identified was its lack of media presence to get its name out there. The main issue we found with this store is the website is non-existent. So there is no website to see what the store itself has to offer, and it doesn't have any menus to view. The only online presence that this site, that this store actually has is through some social medias, such as Instagram or Facebook, but they are also very bare minimum. So a website and web store is the solution that we wanted to look forward to. And along with it, we could also add background information on the business, and it would be much easier to get the name of the business itself out there.
The technique we decided to use as a group would be the House of Quality. So this design shows the technical requirements by the company and also incorporates the voice of the customer. On the left-hand side of the house structure, we have the voice of the customer needs and wants. So there are a list of 10 needs and wants from the customer. They are taste of coffee, good value, access to Wi-Fi, speed of service, delivery, online ordering, access to website, seating, friendly customer service, and cleanliness. And then on the top of the structure of the house, we have the 8 technical requirements for Gravel City Roosters, which includes the price, amount of coffee dispersed, the type of coffee, trained employees, convenient online ordering system, convenient delivery system, comfortable seating, and a clean building. With each technical requirement and need want of the customer, we looked at the correlations between the two, and we were able to figure out a relationship matrix on which one correlated very strong, which one was moderate, and which one was weak. And from the top of the technical requirements of Gravel City Roosters is the interrelationship between each technical requirement. But from the relationship matrix, we see that the convenient online ordering system ranked highly in the needs and wants for the customers. Next slide.
Okay, so I thought that with DoorDash, this company would get more advertisement, like, because they don't do deliveries, or they do takeout, but they don't do deliveries. So maybe this would kind of improve their marketing and advertisement. But the only problem is you can't order online because there's no menu unless you know what you want. So sales and advertising, they would pretty, like, if they had a sponsor, like, say, or they did sponsor someone, say like a high school group, or they gave out like vouchers for certain amounts of money or free coffees, that would help them a lot. Being a vendor, like at a craft show or something like that, like people do breads and jerky, that would get their name out there. Just little things in the community that would help them and get them more support. Also on Google, usually I talk into my phone, like say, hey Siri, where this is the nearest like coffee shop. So it'll show you that in the address, but it won't show you like a website or anything. So you have to have a Facebook or an Instagram or something to see all the information on. Well, if they would just make a website, it could direct them everywhere. Have a menu, go to an outlink of like Facebook, Instagram, DoorDash, just wherever they're available to. So I think that would really benefit them.
And that's it.